TikTok is not just an entertainment platform anymore. It has become a potential hub for passive income for many content creators. No, I am not talking about the creator program but the TikTok shop. Many creators are making thousands of dollars every month. You can also become one of them. You just have to follow some steps and today I'm going to discuss them. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a TikTok shop. First of all, we have to join the TikTok shop. It's simple. Open your browser and search for TikTok shop. Now open the first link. Once you are on this page, click on Join Now and then select Seller if you want to sell your own product. If you want to sell other products, then join as a creator. If you don't have your own product, my suggestion is to go with the creator option. Now scan the QR code and then follow these. Get permission to sell products, add your contact information. Add products to your showcase, get samples and sell the product. Then start promoting your video. It's so easy, so I won't go too deep into it. Let's move forward to the next step. Step 2. Selecting the perfect product. To achieve quick success, you have to choose the right product. Fastmoss can help you a lot with this. Fastmoss is one of the best TikTok shop analytics tools where you will find trending products, top-selling creators, and even top-selling content. You can research any product to get the best results. Let's see how it works. First, click on Start for free, and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here you can see the product rank. Next is trending e-commerce. After that, you'll see the creator rank. Then you'll find the shop rank and finally popular ads. As we need to find a product that is already popular, go to the right side panel. Click on the drop-down menu under the Product tab. Here you will find other options like Product Search, Top Selling, New Listed, and more. If you are aiming to sell a particular product, then select the Product Search option. For example, I want to promote a drone, so I am searching for drones in the search bar and we've got the results. Here you can see the product, the shop name, the commission rate, the units sold, and the revenue. Now to see more details, select any product. Here you can see the rank in the country, the rank in the category, the viral index, and the popularity score. Total units sold and other parameters are also displayed. If you scroll down, you can see that this product is quite popular at the moment, so it will be a great product to start with. You'll even find related videos for this product, and units sold from each video. It's quite a good product. We can move ahead with this one. You should take your time to research and find the best product on Fastmoss. You'll get all the data needed to run a TikTok shop successfully, keeping you ahead of the competition. It's a paid tool, but the good news is that you can enjoy free access to the Pro plan for 15 days by clicking the link in the description. Okay, we have our product. Now we will create the product video. Step 3. Create TikTok product video. Once the product is selected, you can preview it on the TikTok shop. This is our product now. To create a video for this product, I will use the CapCut one-click video creation feature, which is only available on the web version of CapCut. Once you are on the CapCut homepage, create an account or log in to your existing account. After logging in, your interface will look like this. Here at the bottom you will find a vast number of easy-to-edit templates for various use cases. In the Magic Tools tab you will find various AI-powered tools for different use cases. We need to use the one-click video creation tool, which instantly transforms any product URL into a tailored video. So click on it. This is our URL to video creation page. In this box, we have to enter the product link. Currently we can create videos with TikTok Shop, Shopify, and Amazon product links. I am simply copying the product link and pasting it into the box. After entering the URL, hit the Analyze button. CapCut will analyze the URL and grab all the data such as the product name and product highlights. There are some additional keywords available as well. If you want to add them you can, or you can enter your own customized keywords. Next you can see all the product images from the shop. You can upload more images or videos here. My suggestion is if you find some promo video on the product page or anywhere else, upload it here. It will enhance the video quality. At the bottom of the media box you'll find the Auto Enhance option. If any of your images or video clips are low resolution, turn this on. CapCut will enhance the media automatically. That's an awesome feature. Now you can simply click the Generate button to create a basic video. But to get a higher quality output we need to go to the More Information tab. Here you'll find the brand name. If there are any issues, resolve them. Next is the target audience. Always specify your target audience to get better results. After that, you can set the price of the product and mention any promotional campaigns here. Okay, now go to the advanced settings. First, set the video duration. Currently, you can create videos ranging from 15 to 60 seconds. Next is the aspect ratio. At the moment, CapCut only allows the 916 aspect ratio, but landscape and square ratios are coming soon. Next is the script. Here you can see that CapCut generates some scripts in different scenarios and 4 of them are selected. You can generate more scripts by clicking here, preview some of them, and then choose the ones you want to use. Once script selection is completed, go to the Avatars tab. Here you will find a vast library of lifelike instant avatars. You can select multiple avatars from here, but I will go with the Smart Match option. Now CapCut will analyze the script and choose the best avatar for us. Next is the voice settings. It's a similar process to selecting the avatar. You'll find a wide library of voice actors, and you can even clone your own voice. Like the avatar settings, I will use the Smart Match option. Once everything is set, hit the Confirm button. Now to generate the video, hit the Generate button. CapCut will take some time to generate the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. You can see that CapCut has generated 8 videos for us. Let's take a look at some of them. Frustrated with bland travel pics? Meet the Jamoi E88 dual camera drone. A game changer. I can fly it directly from my phone, adding perfect bird's eye views to my vlogs effortlessly. Don't miss out. Elevate your content. Now get yours while stocks last. Capturing epic views with zero stress. I'm flying the Jamoi E88 dual camera drone, smoothly navigating tight spots thanks to its compact size and advanced tech. Worry-free and pure fun. Struggling to capture your moments perfectly? Let me share my secret weapon. The Jamoi E88 dual camera drone. It has normal and infrared cameras, perfect for both bright outdoor adventures and dim indoor gatherings. Guess what just landed? The E88 dual camera drone from Jamoi. Unboxing time. Wow. Dual cameras for epic wide and close shots captured my last beach trip perfectly. All of them are quite good. Now you can download them to your device and share them with your audience. If you think your videos need modifications, click on the pencil icon which will redirect you to the editor page. This is the script box. If you want to customize it, you can do that here. Next, at the bottom you can customize the caption template. Once you're done, go to the Avatar tab where you can customize the avatar. After that, go to the Voice tab. If you need to change the voiceover, listen to some options and then choose the best one. Lastly, if you want to change any media, you can do that here. If you want to change the entire video style, click here and it will regenerate the whole video. And here is the newly generated video. Now to export the video, click the Export button and this is our video. Let's take a look. Struggling to capture your moments perfectly? Let me share my secret weapon, the Jamoi E88 dual camera drone. It has normal and infrared cameras, perfect for both bright outdoor adventures and dim indoor gatherings. Last weekend I flew it around my living room, effortlessly catching those candid family moments without missing a beat. Ready to elevate your memories? Get yours today and start seeing every detail day or night. That's awesome. So now you can create trendy product videos with just a few clicks, which will increase your chances of quick success on your TikTok shop creator journey. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before I go, I would love to hear about your experience with TikTok shop automation using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, happy creating.